station, friendly visiting station who would like to join and support the Cadre Evening Net, please have your call now. Your net control standing by.
Control Eagle 01.
Yun, Ading, si Ading. Eagle 01. Good evening, Ading. Any traffic, welcome to the net.
Mayong gabi control, this is Eagle 01. Handle name Ading. Transmitting down from my home queue, Barangay Birada, Kidapawan City. No important traffic control, just supporting and joining the DX8 CAD Evening Net Call. Nagatimbaya og mayong gabi og advance Merry Christmas sa atong tanan og 73 ay mabuhay. Back to you control. God bless.
Yun, back to me and God bless din. God bless din, Ading. Ayan, our friendly visiting station. Eagle 01 in the person of Ading. Ayan, from Birada, Kidapawan. Maraming salamat, Ading, for coming up. And thank you for joining and support the DX8 CAD Evening Net. And also thank you so much for being with us tonight. God bless and more powers to you. Dosipan your family circle, 73 and mabuhay. Toll station, that was the station, our friendly visiting station. Eagle 01, si Ading ng Birada, Kidapawan City. Maraming salamat, Sir Ading. Extend greetings, good numbers pala sa lahat. Advance Merry Christmas daw sa ating lahat. Yan, maraming salamat, Ading. Now your station and name is properly logged. Please stand by for any possible contact. Wishing you hear you again in the next coming day, same time, same frequency. Maraming salamat, Ading. Mabuhay ka and safety. Any more station after sa ating friendly visiting station, very own friendly visiting station na si Eagle 01. Any more station and friendly visiting